welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't figured it out already, today is another Halloween makeup tutorial, and today is my version of a Halloween witch makeup. Here is the makeup I came up with. Of course, tons of glitter because you and I both know I love glitter, and this is what I came up with. Nice little, witch hat with some lace detailing because we gotta make it as girly as possible, and a lot of glitter, nice makeup. So if you want to know how to get this witch Halloween makeup look, sit tight, don't go anywhere, we're getting started. So first, you guys, I am starting off with my brows. Just gonna brush them out with my spoolie, and then I'm gonna fill them in using my AOA Amuse from Shop Miss A. This is their dark coffee color. It is a matte, long-lasting eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to jump right into my eyes. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade 29N Light Medium. We're going to put some of that on the top of our eyelids. And just to set all of that, I'm going to take my Hourglass Loose Translucent Veil Powder and just place that right on top of my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm going to use a multiple of different eyeshadow palettes, and if you miss anything, just go down below in the description box and just check that out. I will be listing them all down below along with their links, so it's easy for you to check out and, see what you want to buy or what you don't want to buy, all that stuff. Alright, so I am going to go into my eyeshadow palette. The first palette I'm going to dive into, I'm going to take my Berries and Cream Dominique Cosmetics palette and dive into the shade Soft and Sweet and place that pretty much all over my lid. So in that same palette, I'm picking up the shade Cherry Juice, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner of my eyes. So now I'm diving into my next palette. It's the Rustic Glam Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to dive into the shade Moon Child. I think is a perfect color for this witch look. And I'm going to place that all over my lid, more towards the inner corner, and just kind of like sweeping it out, covering the spaces where I haven't really put shadow on. So I did go ahead and wipe away my fallouts. I'm not done with my eyes yet, but I did want to clean it up a little bit. So next, I kind of feel like the outer part of my eye is not as dark as I want it to be. So I'm going to go back in with that Cherry Juice from the previous palette and just add in more cherry juice right on the outer corner. Basically just building it up. And then right on the center of my lid, I'm going to dive into my next palette, the Celestial Storm palette, also by Dominique Cosmetics, and place on the shade Stargaze right on the center of my eyes. So I'm going to quickly do my eyeliner and put on some mascara and then come right back and continue on with the makeup. So if you think we're done with the eyes, well, you're wrong, because we have to add a lot more glitter to our eyes. I just wanted to add some eyeliner, and I did say I'm going to add mascara, but I didn't do that. So let's do that real quickly. Honestly, you guys, I didn't do like a fabulous job, putting on my mascara because I am taking this makeup off soon after I'm done recording, but you get the gist. Put some mascara on, do your eyeliner, and we're going back into the eyes. We're going to add some glitter. Now, for my glitter, you guys, I'm taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel, and this one is in the shade Distortion. Now, with some glitters, you want to be careful placing it near your eyes, so you have been warned. It does say for eye, face, and body, so I'm sure it's safe. But with any glitter, I feel like you should be very careful with it. So now take that glitter and using your hand, carefully place that on the center of your eyes and work it up. I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation and come right back. Again, you guys, everything I use is listed down below, so go check that out if you want to know what I put on my face. Alright, so my foundation is set. And we're going to go ahead and continue with our face. So for my concealer, you guys, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is, I feel like, everyone's favorite concealer. And again, if you haven't heard me say, my shade is in 29N Medium or Light Medium. I'm just going to place that underneath to conceal my eyes, down my nose, and just anywhere I want to really bring forth on my face. And then we're just going to blend all that out using my brush. Now to set all that makeup in place, I'm going back into my Hourglass Veil Loose Translucent Powder. I'm just gonna place that powder all over my face just so that everything is set and nothing moves around. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. Today I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer along with my Morphe brush. And I'm just going to place that on areas where I want to really bronze up. Basically on my temples, right here, my chin line, bring it down. Just really giving my face back that glow. And for my cheeks, you guys, I'm taking my NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow. This is their creamy powder blush in their shade Citrine Rose. And you guys, as you guys can see, this is a very pigmented color. So use it lightly or not, up to you. And then taking my foundation brush with whatever foundation's left on it, I do kind of want to mute out that blush, but not too much. So I'm just going to kind of tap that right on, like so, just to kind of soften up that blush. You guys, it's time for our favorite part, highlighting our face, and I'm going to use the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials collaboration, their Glazed Donut. This is such a beautiful color, shade, and the pigmentation is gorgeous. It's a very strong pigmentation, so you have been warned. So go ahead and place that on the high points of your cheeks. And for this look, I want to make it extra, which I love the pigmentation. I want that pigmentation to really show on my face. And again, I'm using the Morphe brush just on the high points of my cheeks, really showing off those cheeks right on my nose, on top of my lips. And I know it looks crazy, you guys, but we're gonna make it even more crazier by adding more glitter. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel, again in the shade Distortion, and add that on the high points of my cheeks, right where I place the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra collaboration Glazed Donut, like so. So for my lips, I'm taking my Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream in the shade Plum Berry. This is their cream matte liquid lipstick. And then right on top of that, I'm going to place on a little bit of my Ciate lip gloss, their Glitter Flip in the shade Forbidden. You guys, that is it for this video. Here is the final look, you guys, and I think it turned out really nice. And this hat is an adult size hat, but it's not really fitting me too well, but I'm trying to balance it on my head. I think it's nice for a little photo shoot, but other than that, I can't really be wearing this, although it is an adult size. Maybe I just have a big head, I don't know. Anyway, so that is the final look, you guys. Here is my version of a Halloween witch makeup look. Tons of glitter, of course, because you know that I love glitter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so by clicking down below, clicking that subscribe button, join the Kwak fam. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my videos. I do upload at least twice a week, if not more. Follow me on my social media. And if you really did enjoy this video, go ahead and like this video by letting me know that you like it and leave a comment below. And that's pretty much it, you guys. And of course, don't forget to check out Alice's video of her version of a Halloween witch makeup tutorial. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.